Yeah, man. I know you see the title. At 22 years old, my bank account touched six figures. And the funny part is, I didn't even know about it. I wasn't born rich. You feel me? My mom came from Haiti. My dad came from Cape Verde. And so, for the most part, they told me same thing, bro. They didn't grow up with much. You feel me? They did not grow up with much. When I was born, thank God, I had a roof over my head. Had a good family. You feel me? Like I said, though, I wasn't born rich, bro. The foundation to what I had going on was credit. That's what helped me build up to the point that I got to six figures. You feel me? And so starting off, bro, it was really manufacturer spending. I was able to liquidate the credit cards and put them into my account to trade, and so I did that. All right, like I said, I wasn't born with money, bro. I wasn't born rich, so I had to really figure something out to get me to where I wanted to be, and that was using credit. Now, the credit helped me in a major way because it helped me, um, gain more money. That was the main point of it because I already had a strategy. I already know how to trade. You know what I'm saying? I already have my confidence. I already have my strategy. I already have my game plan, my blueprint, everything set up. And so that's what I just did. You feel me? I liquidated the credit cards, get the money, put it into my bank account. And so I would go ahead and transfer that to my accounts and trade. And that's how it really started. And so I made some money with it. And then I funded my clothing brand to get that going. And so initially starting off, I actually didn't get to use any money at all because when I manufactured spending initially, that that pretty much just built up rewards like cash back and points. And so I used the cash back and points to fund the clothing brand to get shirts. So initially, like well, I'll say technically, I got the shirts that I sold for free and I just used the rest for profit. And so that's what I did. And so my clothing brand, I just ran it. At that time it was very minor, like super minor, like marketing. I ain't gonna lie, the marketing was kind of ass. I'll be real with you. I'm super real. The marketing was super ass, bro. And you know what? It is what it is. 'Cause I learned from it. But it took me about a month to sell all the shirts I had, which meant the world to me too, because I was able to do it. And so when I did that, all I did was I did free shipping, but I'm the one who paid for shipping out of pocket, even though they paid for the shirt. And yeah, at that time, I sold the shirts for pretty cheap. At that time, like maybe like less than $10, I think. Sold my first shirts just so I could build that buzz up, and that was the plan from the get go, and it was successful. It was a successful drop. Everything sold out, but it took a while though, a month, bro. Like every day you thinking like, damn, bro, when is this sale gonna happen? And sales came in every so often, but everything sold out, and so I gained some money from that. I um I wanted to reinvest that money back into the clothing brand. But I got scammed from a manufacturer in Pakistan. Well, I don't even know if they manufacturers for real, but I got scammed out of money. Um, I went to well, I was listening to someone who I would look at as reputable, and so yeah, bro, I ended up getting scammed, bro, out of some bread, and so that was that. Feel me? I sat back like, damn, bro, I haven't touched my clothing brand in months since then. Probably not even months, like probably like a year and a half. Probably I've touched it. It's been a long ass time, bro. And then I just kept trading stock options. You feel me? Doing that. I had like a reselling business going on, making money with that here and there, and so I just kept doing that for a good minute. And so to the point where I relaunched my clothing brand. I did a revamp, just revamp meaning like new logo, new look to it, new meat, like not new meaning, but just new logo, new look, and being more I say like being more active in it. Like me personally just being more active in it, putting more time into it. Marketing, making videos, production, things like that. Clothing, like design, stuff like that. I just got it going. And that was that, you feel me? From then I made a good chunk of money, you feel me? And then I started my Amazon business. And that's what helped me get to the next level, you feel me? That's what got me to six figure mark ASAP. And so when I did that, that's when I probably hit about around 200K when I first found out about it. Like I'll say over 200K. Like in my head, I'm thinking like 240,000 or like 260 or 260,000. But that's how I really hit six figures at 22 years old. And it was it was literally just before 2023. And then yeah, that's when I really started seeing that I had over just over 300K had went through my account. So I'm like, feel me? Like, damn, I was shocked because I actually did that shit myself, bro, and it was amazing. But yeah, that's how I really hit six figures at 22. Listen though, even though I'm telling you guys how I touched six figures at 22, like learn from this though. Feel me? Like even though I told you guys like a brief summary of how I did it, even though I'm mentioning credit card and stuff, but yo, use them responsibly, bro. Do not use credit cards unless you can make money from it. Don't use it to buy shoes. You know what I'm saying? Don't use it to look good. Don't make an excuse to yourself like, yeah, I'm gonna use a credit card so I can use it for marketing, so I can buy you know, a ticket for private jet. Da, 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 da. Like, bro, don't use it unless you're gonna make money. Don't use it at all unless it's going to make you money. I should say. Do not use it at all unless you're going to make money, bro. That's that. If it can't make you money, don't touch it. Put it in a safe. Put it in a vault. Lock it up. Don't touch it. Don't look at it. Don't think about it. Delete the apps. You know what I'm saying? Like, bro, don't use it unless you can make money from it. Because if you can use credit to make money, bro, you'll become up. I'm saying like you'll be up there, bro. But besides that, dude, you feel me? Like besides being responsible, have a game plan. You feel me? Have a game plan. Learn the stuff first before you use a credit card. Like learn about credit, learn about the skill set you want, know what you want to do, have a passion for it. You feel me? So you don't get burnt out and just go for it. You feel me? Once you have the knowledge, it's proven. Go ahead and use a credit card and fund your idea, fund that thing that you want to do. You feel me? And then go for it, bro. And then once you make the profit, that's that, bro. Rinse and repeat. You heard me? AI.